everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today is maintenance day for all of my deer hunting equipment. I got this um, feeder, doing some maintenance on it. I gotta replenish the corn. Very quiet out here right now. Beautiful day, about 60 degrees outside. But I wanted to do a quick um, trail cam review. Um, This is probably one of the best purchases I ever made. This is a Muddy Mitigator cellular cam. What that means is the pictures go straight to my phone, and this was my very first one I purchased, and it's been really good. Um, so I purchased another one, and I put it on the other side of the property. But this one is probably the best one, and you can use an app called Command Pro to monitor all your pictures. But this one is very simple to use. Here's the antenna. You can take off the strap, holds it to the tree, and the camera itself is very simple, um, very watertight. I never had any problems with it. I had it out here for almost a year. Um, so let's open it up. So this is the back of the camera. Pretty simple setup. So you could see it's blinking green. It needs batteries, so that's one downside of this. If you don't have a solar panel, you can have the solar panel attachment. I'm gonna get it this year, but you can easily detach it, and it's got 8 AA's. I've actually had these here for 3 months, and these are the Job Smart Tractor Supply brand. Pretty cheap batteries, and I've been taking pictures every day, at least 10 times a day. So it's pretty good. Um, the energy usage of these cams. Do you really need a solar panel? No, but I mean, you can save a lot of money and just using the solar panel instead of buying batteries every 3 months. But it'll be a couple of years before you get your money back. Um, but I'm thinking I'm gonna do it this year. So I gotta replace these batteries. I think they ran out of energy this morning. It's not taking any pictures anymore. But I have a lot of deer coming through here. Last deer season, I was able to bag one spike out here, and this year I'm planning on doing the same. Um, and I learned the patterns of the deer and the time they showed up because of this camera. And I'll be awake at 6 in the morning. I was getting pictures at 6:30, 7:30. When I was sitting on my deer stand, I was getting alerts, pictures. So pretty good visual of the land out here as well. It just pretty much gives me a really wide range of land, so I can see where the deer are coming in from the left or right. Also, not only deer, but tons of hogs as well. So, um, pretty good camera. So, I strongly recommend it. So I'm going to change the batteries. Okay, now that I replaced the batteries, I'm gonna go ahead and place the battery pack back on the camera. And these lights should start blinking. Once they come solid, it means the camera is ready. Right now it's just registering. There's the second light. First light is solid, second light is solid, and the third light should become solid soon. And it looks like we're good. I just received a notification on my cam on my phone. Battery is all green. We're good to go. I'm gonna close it. And that's all there is to it. Pretty good little camera. I strongly suggest you buy one, but I'll also use these to watch over the animals as well. If you have cows, chickens, or goats, and you think you got some predators out there, I know I've used them in the past to identify predators around my chicken coop, and this became very, very useful. So try that. And if you think that you have other predators around your land or house, or you can even use these in closed doors, apartments or whatever. If you just want to see in real time, get one of these, set it up, and set it up to your phone. I'll put some links in the description, and I hope this is very useful for you. So, catch you in the next one.